Hi guys, welcome back to 4DDig. When you're trying to open a music file or an important audio clip, you may find that it's corrupted and unplayable. That's too bad. Don't worry. Today, we'll walk you through step-by-step on how to repair corrupted MP3, WAV, and FLAC files. These are the common formats of audio files. So don't forget to subscribe to us, and let's go. Method 1. Repair corrupted audio files with 4DDig Audio Repair Tool. To ensure that your corrupted audio file is adequately repaired, you should try using the advanced method for this. 4DDig Audio Repair provides a perfect audio repair function. Its advantage is that it can restore an audio file under multiple defined scenarios. Whether it is repairing corrupted audio files or removing noise, distortion, pops, and other imperfections, 4DDig can do it easily. I put the download link below. Step 1. Launch 4DDig File Repair and choose the Audio Repair button. Okay, the second step is to drag the damaged audio file in. Here I have two audio files that need to be repaired. One shows that it cannot be opened, and the other has obvious noise. Let's drag it in to see the repair effect. Step 3. Click the Repair All button and wait. It's that simple. Now you can click the Preview button to listen to the repaired version. If you are satisfied, choose a suitable location to save it. Of course, you can try other methods. Method 2. Convert file formats. The media player you're using may not have a codec that can play a specific audio file. To cater to such a scenario, you can try VLC Media Player, which is an open-source audio media player. Once open it, head to the Media tab, select Convert/SAV. Click Add and choose your corrupted audio file. Under Convert/Save, choose Convert. Pick a new format for your file like WAV. Save it. Click Browse to select a location to save the converted file. Hit Start and see if the magic works. Now let's play the converted file and see if it sounds any better. This method is very simple, but sometimes it doesn't work. So I still recommend the first method. If it helps, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I would be very grateful if you subscribe. Catch you more.